will get the first chance and next will get next chance. You have to give the answer in 10 seconds. After pressing the buzzer, you have only 10 seconds to give answer. For right answer, 20 points. If one presses the buzzer before the completion of the question, 10 points will be reduced. If you give the answer before the completion of the question, you must wait for completion to complete the question. And other house will get chance. For wrong answer, minus 10, and next house will get chance. Are you ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
The first question for you. Using 1 and 0 from the largest five digit number.
Sir, 1 0 0 0 0. Sir, 1 1 1 1. Sir, 1111.
1111 is the wrong answer. Who presses second? Yes. No, I don't want. Say the number.
$11,110.
Yes. 11,110. Right answer. 20 points. Minus 10. Who gave the methods to find the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100? Narmada.
A Greek mathematician called
Eratosthenes.
Eratosthenes.
Yes, right answer. 20 points to Narmada. What are rational numbers? Yes.
Numbers in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0 and p and q are integers.
Right answer. Which is the smallest odd composite number? Yes. 9 is the right answer. What is called a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2? Go.
Sir, prime triplet.
Prime triplet. Right answer. What will be the SCF of two numbers if one number is factor, other is multiple? Kaveri.
The greater number.
No. Second is zero.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
No.
Sir, their product.
No. Wrong answer. Narmada has not pressed the button. Have you pressed the button? Yes. 1 is wrong answer. The question was, so you have to listen the question carefully. Otherwise, what will be the SCF of two numbers if one number is factor, other is multiple? Next question. What will be the LCM of two number if one number is factor, other is multiple? Ma'am is watching this, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? Okay.
Their product.
Their
Product.
wrong answer. Minus. Next, how? Yes.
So multiple.
Right, multiple is the multiple is the right answer. Now, next question. Question number 9. What is constant?
Sir, numbers which have a constant value is called a constant.
Wrong answer. Who presses second? Helen.
Sir, the literal which carries a fixed value is called a constant.
Yes. Right, 20 points. to Helen. Now, question number 10. What is variable? Helen, yes.
Sir, the literal which carries an unknown value with it is called a variable.
Right answer. Point. Now still you have enough question. 11 question is rest. Now, next question. What is polynomial? Narmada.
Sir, algebraic expression having 5 or more than 5 terms.
Right answer. 20 points. Now, question number 12. What is coefficient? No, your marks will be reduced minus 10 because you have guessed the question. Next house, Kaveri.
The factor of literal in algebraic expression is called the coefficient of that number.
Right answer, 20 points. What is another name for the first term in ratio?
Sir, antecedent.
Antecedent is the right answer, 20 points. What? Next question, question number 14. What is interest?
Extra money which is added to the principal.
Right answer. What is transversal?
Sir, we don't know the answer. We pass it to number.
Minus 10.
Line which got two pendants line is known as transversal.
Right answer. What is Pythagoras theorem?
Sir, in Pythagoras theorem, if a triangle, if a right angle triangle has two sides named B and C and the hypotenuse named A, then A square is equals to B square plus C square.
Okay, right answer. Now, question number 18. Now we are going to conclude. We are very near to in the conclusion. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Question number 18 is, what is concave polygon? Kaveri.
A polygon whose angle is more than 180 degrees.
What is convex polygon? Kaveri.
The polygon whose angle is less than 180 degrees.
One angle is less than 180 degree.
Wrong answer. -10. Namada, yes.
Sir, a polygon whose each of the angle is less than 180 degrees. Convex polygon.
Right answer. 20 points. Now last 3 questions. What is isosceles trapezium? Narmada.
Sir, a trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal in length.
Right answer. Last 2 questions. What is called data? Jhevan. Narmada. Second. Kaveri has not listened. Yes.
Sir, data is a collection of numerical figures.
Numerical fact. Right answer. 20 points. And last question comes. What is Cartesian plane? Narmada.
Sir, a graphical plane in which the two coordinate axes are drawn is called Cartesian plane.
ठीक है. Right answer. The answer is right. And now we are waiting for the result. Jhelam, third position. Jhelam, stand up. Very well played, all of you. On Jhelam, clap. Clap all of you for Jhelam. And second position, Narmada, 410 points. And winner is Kaveri, gold medal for this. Very well played. Sit down now. Played very well. You have worked very hard and you have learned many things from your mathematics. That is the main thing. Competition, healthy competition is always very good. You have to make yourself very intense in the subject and you learn many things. Go to your places.